Alright, another quick video I want to make here. Just a recap, this is concerning a lifter swap. I've got a top end rebuild on this engine with new camshaft and timing set, new oil pump, completely redone set of heads, a completely 100% new valve train. Anyways, started out with these lifters here, the Compcams 8957. They're very noisy, ridiculously noisy. Couldn't get them to quiet down with 3 different push rod lengths. So anyways, now I've swapped those out to these units here, the Compcams Evolution lifters, and I have them in here now, and the engine is running, and we have the exhaust is piped outside the garage, and this is a completely bone stock exhaust system, manifolds, the original OEM catalytic converters, everything. So I've taken the exhaust completely out of it. We are just listening to the underhood noise. The engine is good and hot now. It's been running about good 45 minutes, going on an hour, and I now have the wheels and the wheel tubs installed. So that makes things sound a little better. It's got about 15 hours of run time on it, and so with the hood closed and the wheel tubs are installed and the wheels are on it, and this is what it sounds like just standing alongside of it. Well, it's idling at about 500 RPM. Excuse me. The lifter noise, there's just a little dull clatter in there. It's livable, it's tolerable. If it doesn't get any worse than this, hopefully it gets a little better. It's acceptable. Go over to the left bank. And this one's, sounds like it's got one clicky one in there on the left bank. Again, it's not hideous. And again, this is with the wheel and the wheel tub installed, which is going to block some of that noise, keep it in the engine bay. Stand back away from it. So that's what it sounds like now. The engine's been run in. The valve train has been run in now for about 15 hours. And it's taken some run-in time to get it to quiet down. It started out sounding loud and noisy and had to be run in. Another thing is, when it starts up cold, it's actually pretty darn quiet. When it's cold, and then just as it's starting to warm up, water temperature is probably hitting about maybe 140, 160. They are really nice and quiet. You don't hear anything at all. But as the engine gets good and hot, and it has to be hot where the oil temperature is at full operating temperature, not just the water temperature. So once it's been running about a good half an hour or so, the oil's good and hot. It's thinned out, and this is full operating temperature. They actually sound a little noisier when they get hot. And you know, the bad ones did that too, only very bad. You know, these ones are better. I think these ones here are defective. I'm sending them back. This is just a comparison. I had another video that I made, 2 videos of these lifters here running in the engine. They sounded very bad. So anyways, this is what I got now. It's a whole lot better. It's acceptable. Thanks for watching.